I need to loosen the crankshaft pulley bolt, 27mm, and I have a wrench. I have a breaker bar and 27mm socket over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bump the starter really quick, and that will loosen up my bolt. That's the easiest way to do it. I don't have an impact gun, and plus with the impact, there's not enough room usually here. But right now maybe it would be. Most story short, I'm gonna do it this way. Alright. Set up. Got my key. Connect the battery. Go ahead. Bump the starter right now. A little bit. You guys can watch over here what's gonna happen. I think it did. I need to crank more.
A few moments later.
Any luck? There we go. Baby. Alright. So, she's all loose. Here's the bolt. As you guys can see, it's loose. I can take it out. Don't lose any washers. There's 3 washers there. Should be 3. There's the puppy. Right there. Alright. And I'm gonna get ready soon to remove this crankshaft.